In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Intercom to Shopify. By the end, you'll have the official Intercom messenger installed on your storefront, your Shopify customer, and order data syncing into Intercom, and a chat bubble that automatically appears on your store pages so shoppers can ask questions and even check their order status right inside the chat. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, go to Online Store, then Themes. We're heading here because Intercom is added to your storefront through your theme settings, and turning it on is as simple as flipping a switch. On the Themes page, click Customize on your active theme. That's the theme currently powering your live store. If you're working on a draft theme, remember that any change you make applies only to that specific theme, so make sure you're customizing the one you intend to use. Inside the theme editor, look to the left panel for App Embeds. This section controls lightweight apps that plug into your storefront without needing to edit code. Open App Embeds and find Intercom Messenger in the list. If you have a long list of embeds, use the search bar at the top of the panel to locate it quickly. When you see Intercom Messenger, toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, the theme preview on the right should reflect the change, so you can see where the chat bubble will appear. This is the same messenger your customers will use to start conversations and check their order status, and it ties directly into your Intercom workspace so you can view conversations alongside synced customer and order details. Now click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Saving publishes the change. Without this step, the embed won't go live on your storefront. That's it. The messenger bubble now appears on your store. Open your storefront in a new tab or on a mobile device and look for the small chat icon, typically in the lower corner of the page. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or clear your browser cache and confirm you enabled the embed on the active theme. With the official Intercom app powering the messenger, you'll give shoppers instant help, and you'll see richer context in Intercom thanks to synced Shopify data. It's a quick setup that delivers immediate value, and you can always return to app embeds later if you want to toggle it off or make further adjustments to your theme.